We both brought brand new cars. I actually had to buy a new car because my last car got rear-ended pretty bad, so it was undrivable.
You got hit from the back.
We bought these cars at 18 years old. I got my car imported from Japan. It is a Lexus IS350. It's 3.5 litre V6, making about 306 horsepower.
It's a B58, a 340i, catless downpipes, stage 2 MHD tune, CT turbo intake. Yeah, smokes every Lexus.
But most importantly, they're rear-wheel drive. But I've been saving up. I was going to get a new car anyway. It works out.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone.
So I've come to show you the car in the daylight. But last night I tried cleaning my car just to make it look all nice, and this is how good I did. Yeah, I didn't do a very good job. So me and Shub attempted to wrap my tail lights in this film I brought from Temu, and it actually turned out really well until it started raining, and then rain got all into it. See, the water's coming out there, and yeah, so it's totally ruined the film, but I guess that's what I get from buying. It still looks alright from back here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go get a car wash done properly so it doesn't look like that. So while I'm here, I'll pop the hood. Oh, where is it? So it's actually really clean, and since it came over from Japan, they actually had to steam clean it, so that's why the engine bay is very, very tidy. But yeah, not bad. Hi, can I buy a car wash?
Hello, can I just have 1 second? Just 1 second, please. Wait. Yeah, stop, red light, red light, red light. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Hello, yes, of course, I can hear you now. Red light.
This better look clean. Alright, I want to park up.
I've been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide. Cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow bound, man.
Nice car, mate.
Thanks, mate.
Who's winning in a race? Yeah, who's winning?
You, mate, you're Lexus. These add an extra 100 horsepower each side, you know? 100, 200, 300, 400. That looks good. This is the big one? Can I get the bigger one? What race am I looking at? Race 2. Place bet.
What did you do?
$50. Go. Go.
Second placing, hey jealous. They're clear of Trojan Horse coming on late. Paparazzo took the lead like Paparazzo. Beat to Max.
Oh, we still made money. $2.90.
Dog, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside and I split it with the guys. We up on the